Hello everyone, our daily current affairs video lo apnalokok swagatom janaisu. So let's start. Okay, first what ki ase India lead in global AI. So India has emerged as the global leader in AI adoption. India etia bahut khini countries ok surpass kori like USA, Germany, France and Australia enokwa countries khinik surpass kori pelai etia hoise global leader in AI adoption. Mane sobotse besi AI India use korise, thik ase, with 77% of knowledge workers using generative AI daily in 2025 up to 46% in 2024. Kimane use kori asile 46% e use kori asile ketia 2024 ot use kori asile aru etia kiman hoy gol 77% hoy gol, thik ase, aru year 77% hua loge loge ekhini countries ok ki korise India pisot pelai dise ei khetrot, thik ase. Early adoption has already shown productivity gains when with Indian professionals saving an average 1.3 hours per day through AI use. So eta average India ne ki korise ekhon 1.3 hours save korise per day, which is a good thing, hoy na, iman kini time save hua to per day save hole kiman save hoboge, so it is a good thing. Okay, so save korise. So ami eta here related eta MCQ sum. Okay, with reference to India's AI adoption in 2025, consider the following statements. Amak junto a India's AI adoption in 2025 tar uporot amak sarita statement dise aru ami sabo lage kungita correct hoy, thik ase. First to ki koise over 3/4 77% of India's knowledge workers are now use AI generative daily. Correct hoy ne? Over kiman mane 77% of Indians use kore, thik ase. So knowledge workers use kore. Okay, one is correct. Two to ki koise India has outplaced the US, Germany, France, Australia in AI adoption rate. So kungita country outpaced korise boli koise, surpass korise boli koise US, Germany ekita country asile na nai, asile na nai, US asile, Germany asile, France asile aru Australia asile, hoy na, France asile aru Australia asile. So 2 correct hoy. 3 to ki koise on average Indian professionals save more than an hour a day using AI tools. Eto correct hobo ne? 1.3 hours daily save kore boli koise, thik ase. So statement 3 is correct. India's AI adoption rate in 2025 shows no significant change from 2024. Eto correct hobo ne wrong hobo? It is not correct, hoy na, karon 2024 ot kiman asile 46 asile, hoy na nohoy, 46 opra eta kiman hol 77 hol. So statement 4 is not correct. 1, 2 and 3 only will be the correct answer, that is option B. Okay, let's move on. Okay, Antyodaya Divas 2025. So Antyodaya Divas 2025 celebrate kora hol ketia 25th September to mark the 109th birth anniversary of Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay. Thik ase. The term Antyodaya means rise of the last person. Okay, ki mean kore Antyodaya? Eto mono rakhiba, ki mean kore rise of the last person, symbolizing inclusive and equitable development. Deen Dayal Upadhyay kun asile ejon philosopher, political thinker, RSS pracharak and co-founder of Bharatiya Jan Sangh. Introduced the concept of integral humanism. Ki introduce korise? The concept of integral humanism focusing on holistic growth of body, mind, intellect and soul. Thik ase. The government of India declared Antyodaya Divas in 2014 to institutionalize his philosophy. So philosophy to preserve koribo karne, spread koribo karne au teo namot ki rakha hol 2014 ot Antyodaya Divas ৰখা হল কেতিয়া ৰাখিছিলে এটো মনত ৰাখিবা ওকে কেতিয়া 2014 okay and to highlight the upliftment of the poorest and most marginalized section of the society ঠিক আছে here related eta MCQ sao with reference to Antodoya Divas consider the following statements Antodoya Divasor bikhoye amak 4ta statement dise kungita correct hoy ami sabo lage ঠিক আছে first to ki koise Antodoya Divas is observed on 25th September to mark the birth anniversary of Pandit Dindayal Upadhyay eto correct hoy ne কেতিয়া পালন কৰা হয় 25 সেপ্টেম্বৰত পালন কৰা হয় কি কৰিব কাৰণে বাৰ্থ এনিভাৰ্সাৰী পালন কৰিব কাৰণে পণ্ডিত দীন দয়াল উপাধ্যায় ওকে statement 1 is correct 2 to ki koise the term Antodoya signified inclusive and equitable development of society's last person eto asile na nai ki asile meaning to rise of the last person to eto correct hoy ঠিক আছে 2 to correct hoy the term Antodoya signifies inclusive and equitable development of society's last person okay 3 Dindayal Upadhyay propounded the philosophy of integral humanism a philosophy eta hoy eto integral humanism to eta philosophy hoy tumaluke sabo pariba if you want to know more about integral humanism so teo a philosophy so uliaisile so statement 3 is correct 4 to ki koise the government of India first declared Antodoya Divas in 1977 is it correct no ketia asile 2014 not 1977 okay so statement 4 is not correct 1 2 3 again that is option B next GST appellate tribunal so Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman launched the Goods and Services Tax Appellate Tribunal, marking a key milestone in the GST regime by strengthening dispute resolution mechanism. So, eto ki hoy? This is for solving dispute between taxpayers and tax authorities. ঠিক আছে? Taxpayers aru tax authorities or মাজত dispute bu resolve koribo karone eto hoy. ঠিক আছে এটো কি কৰিছে বুলি কৈছে নিৰ্মলা সীতাৰামনে লঞ্চ কৰিছে the Goods and Services Tax Appellate Tribunal marking a milestone in the GST regime by strengthening dispute resolution mechanism ঠিক আছে এটো কাৰণে dispute resolution mechanism strong hobo ঠিক আছে the tribunal will with a principal bench in New Delhi and 31 state benches across 45 locations will reduce legal friction expedite cash flows and boost confidence for MSMEs exporters and taxpayers ঠিক আছে it aims to provide plain language decisions simplified processes digital feelings your main aim ki hoy ki provide koribole plain language decision tar pisot ekini monor rakhiba simplified processes tar pisot digital feelings and virtual hearings ensuring transparent and time bound justice thik ase so it will basically make the process easier to solve the disputes okay so with reference to the newly launched GST appellate Tribunal consider the following statement. Ako saita statement is a kungita correct hoy sabo lage. GSTAT is a statutory appellate body created under GST laws to hear appeals against the orders of GST appellate authorities. Eto correct hoy ki hoy eto eta statutory appellate body hoy created under GST laws kihor karone appeals khini hunibok karne against orders of GST appellate authorities ঠিক আছে 2 to কি কৈছে it will function only through principal bench located in New Delhi eto correct hobone কি asile correct hoy na nohoy kenege function hobo through principal bench located in New Delhi hetu to hoy kintu yat amak eta only dia ase only nohoy karon amar yat ki ase with a principal bench in New Delhi aru 31 state benches across 45 locations so only to dia ase karne it is not correct thik ase this not only through principal bench located in New Delhi no hoy so 2 to incorrect 3 to ki koise GST team comprises both judicial and technical members to ensure fair and balanced decision. Etu correct hoy. For to ki koise, one of its objectives is to reduce legal friction and improve ease of doing business for taxpayers. Thik ase? So etu e bostutor GST Appellate Tribunal eta one of the important objective ki hoy legal frictions reduce kora aru অলপ smoothness to improve increase kora of doing business for taxpayers. ঠিক আছে? So 4 is correct, 1 3 4 to correct hobo, that is option C. Next, Chief of Defense Staff. ঠিক আছে? The center has extended General Anil Sohan's tenure as Chief of Defense Staff till May 30, 2026 হয় না কেতিয়ালে এক্সটেন্ড কৰিলে জেনাৰেল অনিল সোহানছৰ টেনিয়ৰ মে 30 মে 2026 লে কি কৰিলে extend korile. The decision approved by the appointments committee of the cabinet ensures continuity in military leadership and ongoing defense reform. He will also continue to serve as Secretary, Department of Military Affairs, DMA, overseeing key initiatives such as Theater Command, Joint Operation and Defense Integration. Indigenization. Okay. The tenure of General Anil Sohan as Chief of Defense Staff has been extended till which year? 2026. Aru date to ki asile? May 30. ঠিক আছে? মনৰ ৰাখিবা, date to মনৰ ৰাখিবা, date to হুদি দিব পাৰে। Next কি কৈছে 7th Future Food Forum 2025. The 7th Future Food Forum 2025 has begun in Dubai, bringing together policymakers, industry leaders and academies to discuss food security, trade and innovation across the global south. So 7th Future Food Forum 2025 hoise kot hoise start Dubai hoise thik ase The event emphasized resilient food ecosystem through technology, sustainable practices, cross-border partnership, consumer trends, sustainable proteins, and agri-tech innovation. The UAE also set a target to grow its food sector's contribution from $8.1 billion to $10.9 billion. ঠিক আছে? The 7th Food Forum 2025 focused on food security and innovation in the global south was held in Dubai. Kot hoise? Dubai hoise. ঠিক আছে? Next, so eta storm, ঠিক আছে? Super Typhoon Ragasa, the strongest storm in the world so far in 2025 hoise kot? Taiwan, Hong Kong, the Philippines and South China, bringing heavy rains and devastation. Etu bahut dangerous hoy. Super typhoon ki hoy? Ragasa. It is the strongest storm so far in 2025. ঠিক আছে? In Taiwan, kiman manu morise? 17 people died and 18 injured, while the Philippines 4 deaths were reported. Nearly 2 million people were evacuated in South China and Guangdong province. Shut down schools, business and transport. Ragasa is classified as a category 5 hurricane strength typhoon. ঠিক আছে? Okay? কি কৈছে? Super Typhoon Ragasa, the strongest storm of 2025, recently struck which of the following region? কোনগিটাৰ region? Option B, Taiwan, তাৰপিছত Hong Kong, Philippines and South China. ঠিক আছে? Okay. Next ki ahile World Pharmacist Day 2025. World Pharmacist Day 2025 was celebrated globally. Ketia celebrate kora hol 25th September, a day observed annually since 2009. Ketia pora etu celebrate kori ahise 2009 sonor pa celebrate kori ahise. Mark the founding of the International Pharmaceutical Federation in 1912. The day highlights the vital role of pharmacists in healthcare, patient care, medication safety and public health. The theme of 2025 is Think Health and Think Pharmacist. ঠিক আছে? Emphasize theme to মনত ৰাখিবা এনেকুৱা occasion খিনি সদায় theme to মনত ৰাখিবা ঠিক আছে emphasizing pharmacists as key healthcare providers and their integration into global health policies. MCQ ta saw World Pharmacist Day 2025 theme Think Health, Think Pharmacist is celebrated every year on ketia celebrate kora hoy 25th September. So yeah, tumalko keneke theme to hudibo parile hoy. Usually theme symbol besike hude. So ekhini monon rakhiba, okay? Okay, so here is your mains question. I hope everybody practices it. Thik ase? Sobe practice koriba mains question to first ot pori loba and jeta likhiba timer logai loba, okay? That's all. Thank you.